Well, have you ever sat at your kitchen table, coffee in hand, and said to yourself, "This is simple. I have renewed my passport before. It is just paperwork. How hard can it be?" You fill out the form carefully, you write the check, you slip your photo into the envelope, and you drop it in the mailbox, expecting everything to move along quietly in the background. That is what most Americans over 60 believe. It feels routine, it feels familiar, it feels safe. But what if I told you that starting February 2026, small, overlooked details are quietly triggering passport delays and even denials across the country? Not dramatic mistakes, not fraud, just tiny mismatches. A name that does not align perfectly, a photo that fails digital screening, a document that is not certified the way it needs to be. Now imagine this. The cruise is booked, the family wedding overseas is scheduled. You promised your granddaughter you would be there. And then a letter arrives saying your passport application is on hold because of one detail you did not even know mattered. This is where most people feel blindsided. Stay with me because in the end, I am going to give you a complete step-by-step checklist you can pause and screenshot so you do not miss a single thing. I will also direct you to the official institutions and exact steps that can protect your travel plans in 2026. And if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. That simple action helps me continue providing clear, calm information that so many seniors are coping with right now. And bear with me until the end, because the final section may be the difference between smooth travel and a canceled trip. Before we begin, my name is Judith Carver, and I focus on helping seniors protect themselves from legal and financial surprises. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a lawyer, and laws can vary by state. Now listen carefully. The Department of State has tightened identity verification standards. This is where it gets interesting. If the name on your passport application does not exactly match your birth certificate, prior passport, or legal name change documents, processing can stop. Margaret, age 73, remarried decades ago. She uses her married name everywhere. Her birth certificate still shows her maiden name. In the past, minor differences sometimes moved through with minimal issue. Under updated review procedures, exact matching documentation is critical. If you do not include a certified marriage certificate or court-ordered name change document, your application can be suspended. She did not see this coming. The emotional consequence is not just delay, it is panic when travel dates are close. The solution is simple but powerful. Match every name exactly and include certified documentation up front. Pause for a moment. Look at your driver license. Look at your social security record. Look at your old passport. Are they identical? Most people never notice small inconsistencies until it matters. Now let us talk about passport photos. This sounds minor, but watch out for this. Automated biometric screening has become more precise. Shadows, glare on glasses, incorrect background color, improper facial expression, even slight tilting of the head can cause rejection. Robert, 68, had his photo taken at a store kiosk. It looked perfectly fine. Weeks later, he received notice that it did not meet digital compliance standards. His departure was 2 months away. Stress levels rose immediately. Here is the untold truth. The photo must meet strict Department of State specifications. Plain white or off-white background, neutral expression, no shadows, no tinted lenses. Review it carefully before submission. A small technical error can cost you weeks. Here is where it gets serious. Processing times fluctuate based on seasonal demand. Spring and summer travel create backlogs. Expedited service exists, but you must qualify, and you may need proof of urgent travel. Do not assume routine timelines will protect you. If your trip is within several months, apply as early as possible. The brutal truth is that once deposits are paid, airlines and cruise lines follow their own policies. Your paperwork delay does not change their rules. Stay with me because this next part surprises many seniors. Proof of citizenship requirements remain strict. First-time applicants must submit an original or certified copy of their birth certificate issued by the official state authority. Hospital certificates are not accepted. Delayed birth certificates can trigger additional review. If you were born at home or in a rural area decades ago, confirm that your document meets federal standards. If not, contact your state vital records office early. Do not wait until tickets are booked. This is the part nobody talks about. Renewal eligibility depends on when your last passport was issued. If it was issued when you were under 16, you must apply in person. If it was issued more than 15 years ago, you must apply in person. Linda assumed she could renew by mail. She discovered too late that her passport was too old for mail renewal. She had to schedule an in-person appointment, and local facilities were booked weeks out. The lesson is clear. Check issuance date immediately. Now, let us address something uncomfortable but important. Under federal law, individuals with seriously delinquent tax debt certified by the Internal Revenue Service may face passport denial or restriction. Many seniors separate tax matters from travel documents. They are connected. If you have received formal notice regarding substantial unpaid federal tax debt, resolve or establish an approved payment arrangement before applying. Verification and documentation are essential. Another area gaining attention involves legal guardianship or conservatorship. If a senior is under court-appointed guardianship, the court order must clearly authorize international travel. Without explicit permission, passport issuance can be delayed. If you are helping a spouse or parent under guardianship, review the court documents carefully and consult a licensed attorney if clarification is needed. Let me show you another overlooked issue: mailing security. When you submit your passport by mail, you are sending original documents: birth certificates, marriage certificates, sometimes naturalization certificates. Use traceable mailing services. Keep copies of everything. George mailed his documents without tracking. Weeks passed before he confirmed delivery. Anxiety could have been avoided with one small precaution. This is where planning becomes power. Appointment availability at passport acceptance facilities varies widely by region. Some seniors wait until the last minute only to discover limited openings. Check early. Consider nearby counties if necessary. Here is a gentle reality check. Many denials are not dramatic, they are administrative. Missing signatures, incorrect fees, outdated forms, incomplete information. Slow down, review every line. Ask a trusted family member to double-check. Now, as promised, here is your practical checklist, and I want you to treat this like a pre-flight safety card, not like casual paperwork. Pause the screen and screenshot this section, because one missed item can quietly freeze your application for weeks. First, confirm your name matches across every document exactly, including spacing, hyphens, and middle names, because the State Department is comparing what you submit against what is on record, not what you intended. Second, if your name ever changed, gather certified copies of marriage certificates, divorce decrees, or court orders now, not later, because missing proof usually means your file gets set aside for follow-up. Third, verify your birth certificate is an official certified copy from your state vital records office, not a hospital souvenir, because first-time applicants must prove citizenship with the right kind of document. Fourth, check your previous passport issuance date and your age at issuance to confirm renewal eligibility, because some applicants must apply in person instead of renewing by mail. Fifth, make your photo bulletproof. No glasses, no shadows, plain white background, and no filters or edits, because photo problems are one of the most common reasons applications get delayed. Sixth, if you have received serious federal tax notices, address them before you apply, because seriously delinquent federal tax debt can trigger passport action. Seventh, if you or a loved one is under guardianship, confirm the court order clearly allows international travel, because vague orders can cause delays. Eighth, apply early, earlier than you think, especially for spring and summer travel. Ninth, use trackable mail and keep copies of everything, including the check or money order details. 10th, double-check signatures, dates, and fees, because one missing signature can send the entire packet back. Write this down. After you mail it, save the tracking number, mark your calendar to follow up, and if you need official help, contact the National Passport Information Center at 1-877-487-2778, because waiting quietly is how deadlines sneak up on you. For official information, consult the United States Department of State website and your state vital records office. Always rely on verified government sources. Watch till the end where I remind you how to protect yourself if confusion arises. Here is the shift I want you to make. Stop treating your passport like routine paperwork. It is a legal identity document and it demands precision. Calm, organized, proactive steps protect your freedom to travel. You earned the right to see your family, attend that wedding, take that cruise, and create memories without last-minute disruption. If anything feels unclear or legally complex, speak with a licensed attorney or qualified professional who can review your specific situation. Do not guess when it comes to your identity documents. I personally read your comments and emails, so share your questions below. If this helped you, like and subscribe so I can continue bringing clear updates that protect seniors nationwide. Share this with anyone planning to travel in 2026. A simple warning can prevent months of frustration. Your rights do not expire with age.